Dear students, in my last class I told you about nouns. So today's topic is pronouns. A pronoun is a word that is used in place of noun. In order to understand pronoun, first of all, you all should be clear about noun. Noun is a name of person, place, animal or thing. To avoid the repetition of noun in sentence, we use pronouns. Let's see an example. Rahul is a boy. Rahul is my brother. In this sentence, the noun Rahul is occurring more than one time. So, in place of that, I have substituted the pronoun he. Because here Rahul is a boy and for boy, we will use word he. So, here he is a pronoun. Words like he, I, she, it, we, they, you are pronouns. There are some singular pronoun and some plural pronoun. Let's see. I, he, she, it, you used as a singular pronoun. And for plural, we, they, them, these, those and you is considered for plural pronoun. Kinds of pronoun. There are 6 kinds of pronoun. The first one is personal pronoun, relative pronoun, possessive pronoun, reflexive pronoun, interrogative pronoun and demonstrative pronoun. Let's come to first pronoun, that is personal pronoun. Personal pronoun refers to persons. In this pronoun, we talk about 3 persons, that is first person, second person and third person. First person is the person who is speaking. Second person is the person who is listening. And the third person is the person who is not present over there, but we are talking about that person. So here for first person in singular, we'll use I, me and mine. And for plural, we, us or ours. For second person, for singular, we use you and yours, and same as plural, you and yours. For third person, he, him and his for masculine, she, her or hers for feminine, females, and it for neuter, means for non-living thing. And same as plural, they, them, theirs are used for third person, whether it is masculine, feminine or neuter. For example, I am intelligent. Here the pronoun I refers as personal pronoun and it's used for first person. We are brave. Here the pronoun we refers to as first person, but it's used as plural over here. Second pronoun is relative pronouns. These pronouns relates a noun to a group of words in a sentence. For example, this is the pen which I like the most. Here they are talking about a particular pen which I like the most. So in this sentence, the pronoun which is a relative pronoun which is connecting the two sentences or the group of words. In the same manner, the man whom I met yesterday was very gentle. Here the pronoun whom is a relative pronoun because it is connecting the group of words and is talking about a particular man whom I met yesterday was very gentle. Moving to the third pronoun, that is possessive pronoun, which shows possession. Possession means ownership, means a thing belong to whom. Example, these dresses are mine. Here these dresses means refers to a particular dresses which are mine. So here the word mine refers as possessive pronoun, means it shows the ownership of these dresses. That pen is yours. Here that pen, they are talking about a particular pen that is yours. So yours here shows possessive pronoun, means the ownership of these pen. Next is reflexive pronoun. reflexive pronoun used as receiver of an action. Here receiver means a person who is doing an action or who is performing an action was receiving that action only. Like, I hurt myself. Here the subject is I. I hurt myself means the action was returning to the subject only. So here myself is reflexive pronoun. He praised himself. Here he is the subject. So the action in this was praising of himself. It means the word himself means the pronoun himself used as a receiver of an action. So it's a reflexive pronoun. Next is interrogative pronoun, which is used for asking question. For example, what is your name? In this, what is interrogative pronoun? Who came just now? This who refers as interrogative pronoun because it's asking question. So you will put question mark at the end. Demonstrative pronoun. Demonstrative pronoun is used to point out the things or objects to which they refer. Like example, this is a temple. By pointing out through the temple, so here this refers to as demonstrative pronoun. Those are hills. Pointing out through the object or the thing to which they refer is considered to be as demonstrative.